Welcome to the section on generators. Generators are a powerful and memory-efficient way to create iterators in Python. Unlike regular functions that return a single result and then terminate, generators can pause their execution, yield a value, and then resume exactly where they left off when the next value is requested. 1. The problem: memory usage. Consider a regular function that creates a large list. When you call create_list with 1,000,000 items, the entire list of 1,000,000 numbers must be created and stored in your computer's memory immediately before the function can return. This uses a lot of memory, which can crash your program if the list is too big. 2. The solution: the yield keyword. Generators solve this problem by replacing the return keyword with yield. When a function contains yield, it becomes a generator function. The yield keyword doesn't stop the function completely. It pauses it, sends a value back, and saves its internal state. The function can then be resumed from where it paused. 3. Lazy evaluation. This pausing and resuming is called lazy evaluation or on-demand generation. The generator only calculates and gives you the next value when you explicitly ask for it, typically by iterating over it in a for loop. This means that even a generator capable of producing 1,000,000,000 numbers will only hold one number in memory at any given time, making it incredibly memory efficient. To summarize, generators are essential for handling large datasets or infinite sequences without running out of memory. The presence of the yield keyword is the defining feature of a generator function. Okay, next lecture 13.14. Create a generator. See you there.